Hello, and welcome to another edition of Canadian Immigration Law Updates. My name is Nandi Deterville of Deterville Law Office. This week, I will only be providing you with two updates, namely the interest in sponsoring parents and grandparents for the 2020 program, as well as the express entry round of invitations to apply, which occurred on October 14th. I'll start off with the parent grandparent sponsorship program. This year is going to be a little bit different from what has happened in the past. Right now, the IRCC, Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada, has put out an announcement that between October 13th and November 3rd, persons who are intending to sponsor their parent or grandparent are able to apply or submit rather an interest to sponsor. So between that time period, you are able to, and you being, this is program is open to Canadian citizens or permanent residents who wish to have their parent or grandparent live permanently in Canada. So that way you must put in this application to show rather than the actual sponsorship application, but rather interest that you wish to do so. After some time, it is the plan of IRCC to randomly select 10,000 applicants to proceed with the program. Once you are issued that intention, that information from IRCC that you've been chosen to proceed, you would have 60 days to complete the entire process. Many clients have been interested in that program as it was delayed from April of 2020 to today, October 2020. So there is much interest, and again, there aren't that many applications that are going to be pushed forward by the IRCC. So it is really important that if you are interested, that you have some understanding of the requirements and what it would take to proceed through the entire process, because if you're unable to produce the documentation necessary, if you do get that approval from the IRCC, it might be difficult to do that, to complete the process in the 60 required days after that. So, and again, the second update for today is in relation to the express entry round of invitations to apply, which occurred on October 14th. This round was round number 165 of the program, and in that round, 4,500 invitations were issued to candidates in the express entry pool having a CRS score of at least 471. There are a couple of interesting things about this round of invitations to apply. The first being that the 471 CRS score was similar to the previous round. So this seems to be the general number that the IRCC is working with in relation to CRS scores of candidates in the express entry pool. The second being that the 4,500 invitations issued was only the second time that such a large number was issued in that pool. The last time that 4,500 invitations were issued was back in February of this year, February 19th to be precise. This is encouraging news that these invitations were issued to candidates throughout all programs in the pool, but also that the number seems to be consistent. It certainly helps clients who are in the pool and have numbers that perhaps aren't as high as that, to decide how we can sort of help them improve their score. There are certain things that can be done in order to improve your score in the pool, and we certainly will be willing to work with clients to try to increase that score for them. Well, that is all for today. I do hope you found this helpful. And if you intend to either apply for your parent, to sponsor them to come to Canada, or wish any information about your express entry profile or would like to launch an express entry profile, do feel free to contact us, detervillelaw.com, and we will be happy to set up a consultation or an information session with you. Do have a pleasant day. Good day.